You can note that question number 9, 10 and 11 are exactly same. An ox can apply a maximum force of 1000 Newton taking a part in a kart race and is able to pull the cart at a constant speed, that is velocity of 30 meter per second. Find the power developed by the ox. So obviously power is force into velocity. I've given this formula also proper. No formula is power is work upon time, and the formula is power equals to force into velocity. So what's the force? 1000. It is as per the unit. Velocity is also as per the unit. Hence the answer is 30,000 watt, which you can write as 30,000 divided by 1000. That is 30 kilowatt. Also you can write as answer. Final answer. It is only possible when you have a bigger unit or bigger numbers. It is only possible when you have the power as more than 1000 watt. Then only you can come into kilowatt. Next one, the power of a motor is 40 kilowatt, and the motor, at what speed can the motor raise a load of 20,000 Newton? Load means the force, because the unit is Newton. So here it's proper unit, but here it's a kilowatt. I have told you the final answer can be kilowatt. While solving it has to be what? SI unit. So obviously the power over here will be 40 into 1000. That is 40,000 watt. So power is force into velocity. Power is 40,000. Force is 20,000 into velocity. So the velocity is 40,000 upon 20,000. 2 meter per second is the velocity. 10 seconds. 11 are also the same. Rajan exerts a force of 150 Newton with a constant speed of 10 meter per second. Find the power developed. So here students, again the power exerted. The power is force into velocity. Force is 150 into 10, 1500 watt. Till 11 question we have finished. Now question number 12. 350 Newton. Newton is a unit for force. Climbs up the 30 steps, each 20 centimeter high. Number of steps is 30 and each is 20 centimeter high. In time 1 minute. So students over here, they have given the displacement but in a different way. So here they have given that each step was of 20 centimeter and total number of steps climbed was how much? 30. So the displacement over here is 30 steps into 20 centimeter, because each was 20 centimeter. So the answer is 600 centimeter, which you can go into meter, because obviously the displacement has to be in, the displacement, that is the height, has to be in meters. So 600 upon 100, 6 meter. So S is done. Force also is available and time is 1 minute. That is 1 minute is 60 seconds. What they asked for here is find the work and the power. So okay, work is F into S, force is 350 and the displacement over here is 6, that is 2100 joule, and power is work upon time. The work is 2100 and the time is 60 seconds, so 635 watt. So power also done and work also done. Now it takes 20 seconds for person A, time 20 seconds. For person A of a mass 50 kg, it takes 20 seconds for person A of a mass 50 kg to climb up the stairs, while another person B does the same work in 15 seconds. So the same work means the same mass, but now he does only 15 seconds. Compare the work done and the power developed by A and B. So very simple students, as over here both of them are doing the same work. That means here it's clearly mentioned a question the other person be of a same mass does in the 15 seconds. That means both of them have a same mass. Then whenever you are talking the work due to gravity, if the mass is same, that means the weight also will be same, and they both are being displaced to same height, hence the work done will be same. So the work done by A will be equal to work done by B. Hence, the work comparison means when you find the ratio will be, if this comes down, it will be 1:1. Now they have asked us to compare the power developed by them. So power of A will be work upon time. Work is same, time is different. And for power of B, it will be work upon time too. So now if I compare this, the work is saying time 1 for the A is how much? 20 seconds, and work upon 15 seconds. So 20 will come down, 15 will go up, hence work into 15 and work into 20. Work will get cancelled, 5 3s and 5 4s. The ratio is 3:4. Question number 13. Now question number 14, students. A boy of a weight 40 kg. A boy of the weight 40 kgf, that is the force 40 kgf, climbs up the stairs, climbs up the 15 steps, the number of steps 15 centimeter high in 10 seconds. Each 15 centimeter high and time is 10 seconds. While the girl of 20 kgf does the same in 5 seconds. So does the same means same number of steps, same everything same, does in 5 seconds. So does the same means the same number of steps and obviously the same displacement. So over here, students, can I say the work done will be equal? So the answer will be no, because though the number of steps and the displacement is same, but the weight is not same. So the weight is not same, the work done also not be same. So what we have to find over here is find the work done. So I'll first find the work done for each. So work done by boy and a work done by a girl. Students, one more thing. After this is not accepted, the first you have to find the weight as mass into gravity. Actually, weight is nothing but the force into gravity. Mass is 40 and the value for G is 10. So 400 Newton. And here also same thing. The force is M into G. Mass is 20 and G is 10, which is 200 Newton. Hence, we have got the force in both the cases. Now the displacement was same for both. So it was 15 number of steps and each 15 centimeter high. So 225 centimeter, which is nothing but 2.25 meter. And the displacement here also will be the same. As I mentioned, the displacement is same for both boy. The displacement is same for both boy and the girl. Now the work done is F into S. The work done is F into S. So what is the force over here? 400. And the displacement is 2.25. That is 2. I will do a decimal. That is 900 Joule. And the work done by the girl will be, force is 200 into, again removing decimal, 450 Joule. Now students, please pay attention. Why the work done over here was same? Because the mass was same, so weight was same. Here the weight was different, so the work also was different. So here that is why the work is not same. Now the second case of the mass is power developed by them. So the power, we have to compare the work and the power both. Okay, students, over here the power. First compare the work. So work of the boy upon the work of a girl will be 900 upon 450, that is 2:1. And second, they are asked to compare power also. The power of a boy, power of a girl will be work upon time and work upon time. So now here the work of one and work of the two. So work time will go up, work, and this time will come down. So what is the work one? The work one is the work of the boy, that is 900, and time taken is 10 seconds. And here the work done is 450, and time 2 is time 1, time 2, 5, and this is 10. So 0 will get cancelled, 0 will get cancelled, 9 5s are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are. So answer is 1:1. So the power, the ratio for the power is 1:1, and for the work comparison is 2:1. A man raises a box of a mass 50 kg. A man raises a box of mass 50 kg to a height of 2 meters in 20 seconds. While another man, this was the first case, and the second case, while another man raises the same box and same height in 50 seconds. Same height, but time taken is 50 seconds. Students over here, the other man also is raising the same box, so mass will be same 50 kg. So when the mass is same, weight is same, the work also has to be same. In this case, the work done by the first man will be equal to the work done by the second man. We have to compare the work done and the power. So obviously now the work for the first person upon the work of the second over here will be 1:1 because they are equal. And now the power for the first upon the power of the second is work upon time. Work is equal and work upon time. So work into time 2 and work into time 1. As the work is equal, you get cancelled. Time 2 is 50 seconds. And this is 20 seconds. So ratio is 5:2. Now what they have asked, calculate the work done. Now we'll find, first we have compared, now they are asking to find the work done also and power also. So we'll find the work and the power in each case. So for the first person, the work will be mgh, mass is 50, gravity is 10, and the height is 2 meters. That is 5 2s are 10, 1000. As I have told you that both of them have the same mass, same weight, so the work will be equal. That means the work for the first person is 1000 and the work done for the second person will be equal to work done of the first person, which is again 1000 joule only. Now the next thing they ask is power. So this was, we have found work. Now for the first person, the power is work upon time. Work is 1000 in each case. Time for the first was 20, hence 50 watt. And your power for the second, 1000 upon 50, that is 20 watt. So we have got the power again, 50 watt and 20 watt of both first and the second. A boy takes 3 minutes to lift a 20-liter water. A boy takes 3 minutes to lift a 20-liter water bucket from a 20-meter deep. when. So liter is volume, students, over here again. We have done earlier also how to convert the volume from liter to meter cube, and then we have to find the mass. While his father does it in 2 minutes. Father does only in 2 minutes. The same thing. That means again the work done is same. So compare the work done, power developed. As I have told you earlier also, students, that whenever they are lifting the same weight, the work has to be same. So first of all, I will find over here the volume in meter cube. So 1 liter is 1/1000 meter cube. So 20 liters will be how much? Cross multiply. You get the answer as 2/100 meter cube. So we have got the volume in meter cube. Now what they have asked students over here, compare the work power and how much work each does. So we have to find the work also. Obviously work over here, as I put it's equal. So we have to just compare and find the work. So first here, the work done by the boy will be equal to the work done by the father. So work of the boy and the father, if I compare, it will be 1:1. And now compare the power. The power of, they have to compare power of boy and father, no, students? Yeah. So power of a boy that is work is same time 1, work is same time 2. So students over here it's given in minutes. We have to come into seconds. That is 3 into 60. This is 2 into 60, which is 180 seconds, and this is 120 seconds. So work into time 2 upon work into time 1. Work is same, time 2 is 120, and this is how much? 180. 0, 6 2s and 6 3s. The answer is 2:3. Power, comparing the power of boy and father. And last I asked the work done by them. As we know that the work is equal, so I can first find the work for the boy, then only the work for the man also. So that is mass into gravity into height. Why I have taken this? Because here they have given volume. With the volume we get the mass, and then into gravity into height. So how to find the mass, students? Over here I have told you density is mass upon volume. So mass is density into volume. What is density? It's given in the question 1000, and volume is 2/100. Hence 20 kg. Students, you always notice that whatever liter is given to you, 20 liters, 50 liters, mass also will be same only, but you have to show this back. For the mass, so the work is mgh, mass is the work done by each. This is work done by each because the work done is equal. So the mass over here is 20, g they have given this one is 9.8 and the height is 20. So 20 into 98/10 into 20, that is 3920 joule. Which I have told you, if you want anything more than 1000, you come to kilojoule also. So you can divide by 1000 and you get the answer is 3.92 kilojoules. So, and here the work done by each boy and father is same. So that is why the answer is 3.92 kJ for each. So with this we have finished exercise 8 numericals.